Everyone, Trader Vader welcomes you all to this new video. The market, it's been 1.5 hours now and they have been trapping all over the place. Let's discuss how the market has been trapping retail traders today. So this is the 1 minute chart. If we talk about traders who trade breakouts, breakdowns, trend lines, let's talk about how each of them got trapped today in the market. So the market formed a zone. If we look at the 5 minutes chart, just see what kind of price action was formed today. This was yesterday's low, not low guys, but yesterday's previous swing low. The low is far below here, around 1700, 780. Now what happened today? The market opened, it made a confusing candle, this one, and then it made this bullish candle. Now what might have happened is people who are looking to buy, they will look at this as a signal of strength, and when the high of this candle breaks, that is where a lot of people will enter, because that gives you a small stop loss. If waiting for this high to break, the stop loss increases. People who entered here just think their stop loss probably was below this candle and it got lost. I'm talking about a 5 minutes candle. Now in the 5 minutes chart, if you see after this huge candle, what will people do? People will either if they sell here, then their stop loss is used, so they are not going to sell here. They will wait for a candle to form. Now this small candle was formed. When this small candle was formed, just think what people will do. After this small candle, they will sell here because they get a stop loss here, and as you can see, this particular wick takes off that stop loss. If you look at the options chart, this particular wick takes off this stop loss very nicely. There will be some smart traders who will wait for another candle, and they'll wait for the low of this candle to break, which happens on this particular candle, and when the low of this candle breaks, then you see what has happened. The low of these two candle breaks here, a lot of sellers will enter here. Even I entered here, and then the very next candle takes away the stop loss. Now let's talk about the buyers. What will buyers do? The buyers will wait for this candle. They will not enter here. Some smart buyers will wait for one candle to form. This candle gets formed. It's a very nice candle, and when the high of this candle breaks, there are buyers who will enter, because then they can put the stop loss here. Just look at what happened. The market came down very heavily. I mean, if this is your cost, guys, just think, if this is your cost area, then when the price is here, it's very much below your cost, and when it comes to this zone, there is a likelihood that it will come crashing down. Second reason is, if we see the trend line, if we draw a trend line with these lows, it gets broken here. So people who are buyers here, they are going to definitely exit on this particular candle or on this particular candle, because it gives a negative price action. The buyers would have expected the price to come here, and from here it should have gone up, but that didn't really happen. So the buyers got exited in loss. Now let's talk about the sellers, guys. People who were selling since morning, they will see this particular trend line, and they will see that, okay, the rejection is from here. Some of them will enter here. Some of them will enter when this particular candle was getting formed, or this particular candle was getting formed, or this particular. All these sellers, their stop loss will be somewhere here. All those stop losses got hit right now. So sellers as well as buyers on both the sides, they are in a loss. They have incurred loss, at least until now. So the market's been really treacherous today. If we look at it in the 1 minute time frame, even I entered when I saw this particular sideways action. I entered when it was broken here, but then the stop loss got hit. Then I entered a buy position here, and then when the markets were trading in this zone on the options chart, it was trading way below my cost, so I exited there. And then when I entered a sell position, because I thought, okay, it looks like that the trend line is broken and the market is not going up, I entered a sell position somewhere here, and I had to exit somewhere here. And then I entered I would say somewhere here when I saw that okay, the sell position is getting nullified because the market started to bounce back from this particular zone. So I entered a buy position here as well, but that also got hit. The stop loss got hit. So all in all, guys, it was not really a good day today as well. These winning streaks and losing streaks will always be there. We have to learn from it and we have to improve our trading. So I'll just go ahead and post the live trade videos after this. Do let me know if you have any comments or any suggestions. Thank you.